There's nothing cheesy about these expressions. An article by Jenny Wellen. When we're taking someone's photo, we tell them to say cheese. Saying the word cheese gives you the perfect smile. Here are some other phrases using the word cheese. When you call something cheesy, you mean it's not very good in a way that might be embarrassing. The word can also be used to describe things that are too emotional or romantic. If you and your brother had to take a long drive together and you don't like the music he wants to play in the car, you could say, "The music you like is so cheesy. I can't stand it." To cheese someone off is to make them angry or annoy them. It's used in both British and American English, but it's used more often in the UK. Your brother might say, "Oh well, I didn't know any music cheesed you up so much. Can we find something we both like?" If two people are the total opposite of each other, you can say they are like chalk and cheese. The comparison was first written down in the 14th century by John Gower. So if you and your brother couldn't find music that you both like, you might say to him, "Mom always said we were like chalk and cheese. Let's listen to the news instead." This is Teacher Riza, and thank you so much for reading with me. I hope that this video will help you in improving your English skills. Please like and subscribe for more additional videos. See you again!